Hello, good day everyone. My name is John Vince Lopez from Technological Institute of the Philippines. For our project in Data Structure or DSA, our group is develop a game of a Flappy Bird game using a Java IDE Eclipse. And in our project, I am assigned in making a Flappy Bird main class and renderer class. For the Flappy Bird main class, I will discuss about the main class that initializes the game and contains the game loop. Manage the game state, including whether it started or over. Handle users' input using space key to make the bird jump. Contains the game logic for column generations, movement, collision detections, and scoring. Using a renderer class to handle the graphical rendering of the game. And for the renderer class, we extend the JPanel class and it's responsible for rendering the game graphics. Overrides the paint component method to paint the background, columns, bird, and other elements. Displays different messages based on the game state, and we start game or game over during the gameplay. And now I will show you the actual game that our group will develop. And now for the question and answer. How did our group employ the principle of data structures and algorithm to implement solutions to the specific problems that identified in our project? For our Fluffy Bird game, our group strategically utilized the various data structures and algorithm to address specific challenges and optimize the performance. One of the key aspects was managing the game pipes and generation and collision detections efficiently. We implement a data structure for the pipes, using a priority queue to ensure the pipes were generated in timely and orderly fashion. For the additionally, we employed an optimized solutions and collisions detections algorithm based on the bounding boxes to the efficiently check for collisions between the bird and the pipes. This approach helped reduce the computational load, ensuring the smooth gameplay for the players even in the situations in the large number of the pipes on the screen. And now, thank you for listening.